Om Shanti, good morning. Essence of Avyakt Murli, 4th July 2021. Revised date 30th January 1988. The second step of courage is tolerance. Life story of Brahma Baba. Today, the Almighty Authority Father is seeing His first elevated creation. The first creation is of Brahmins, and Brahma is said to be the first number of the first creation. Because of being the first number of the first creation, Brahma is called Adi Dev. There is also a memorial of his name, Adi Dev, on Abu Mountain. He is called Adi Dev, that is, the first creation, and as well as that, Adi Dev also means that he is the first number deity at the start of the new world. It is Brahma who becomes the first deity in the form of Shri Krishna. This is why he is called the first deity at the start of the new world. At the confluence age 2, he is the first number of the first creation. That is, whether you call him Adi Dev or Brahma, he is the creator of Brahmin souls. So, he is the first one at the confluence age and also at the start of the world, and so is called Adi Dev. It is Brahma who becomes the first Karmatit angel. Brahma becomes an angel, and that angel becomes a deity. He is number one in everything. How did he become number one in this way? With what method did he attain number one success? All of you Brahmin souls have to follow Brahma. What do you have to follow him in? You have already been told about his first step of surrender. He demonstrated this too in his first step by surrendering in every way. The second step is tolerance. When he surrendered himself, of course, he received the most elevated inheritance from the Father. But what did he receive from the people of the world? Who was showered with the most insults? Even though you souls were insulted or assaulted, it was Brahma who continued to receive the most anger. In his Laukik life, he had never heard a bad word. But when he became Brahma, he became number one in having to hear bad words. He had led a life where he received the most love from everyone. But to the extent that he was loved by everyone in his Laukik life, everyone became his enemy in his Alaukik life. When some children were assaulted, that was automatically also an assault on the Father indirectly. However, with the virtue of tolerance or with the inculcation of tolerance, he remained smiling. He never wilted. Today's blessing is, may you put your loose connection right, and instead of being confused, become free from problems. Again, may you put your loose connection right, and instead of being confused, become free from problems. The main reason for all problems is having a loose connection. Simply put the connection right, and all the powers will circle around you. If it takes 1 or 2 minutes to make the connection, do not lose courage and become confused. Do not shake the foundation of faith. I am Baba's and Baba is mine. Make your foundation strong on this basis and you will become free from problems. Slogan: to remain stable in the seed stage is the way to transform old sanskars. Again, to remain stable in the seed stage is the way to transform old sanskars. Om Shanti.